Hello guys, this is AB from PickJordan23.here and PickJordan23.net. If you guys are interested in those items, any question, please feel easy to contact us. Skype, Kick, Wechat, or WhatsApp. And you can search our website to place your order. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will do more review here. Yeah, so today I want to show you guys the Air Jordan 5 Off-White. Yeah, the new update version. And first you can check the button, yeah, and the side here. Okay, so I'll show you. Check the side first. The 23 number here. Yeah, the zip tie. Okay, top box. The lace lock and check the top shoes here, the Japan. Okay, so another side. Turn to the back of the shoes here. The Nike Air. Yeah, and okay, check the inside. Yeah. Now turn to the button. Check the button. So, Air Jordan 5 Off-White from PickJordan23.here and PickJordan23.net. Okay, now let me show you the shoes box here. Yeah, the collect box. The label here. Also comes the extra lace, the white and the lace. And the paper. So if you guys are interested in those items, any question, please feel easy to contact us. Skype, Kick, Wechat, or WhatsApp. This is AB. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.